In the forest, all the animals were playing. It was bright and sunny. The bear called the lion, "Come, let's play." But the lion said, "No, I would not play, I will lose." Saying so, he moved ahead. Now the lion met an elephant. The elephant said, "Come and play with me." "We will play with stones." The lion refused and went on. After walking a few steps, the lion saw some monkeys on the tree eating bananas. They said, "Come dear, let's have the competition who can eat more bananas." The lion thought for a while, but he was afraid of losing, so he refused. The lion now went to the riverside where the crocodile invited him for a swimming competition. "No, I will lose," said the lion. The elephant and the crocodile competed and had fun. The lion sadly watched them. The rabbit hopped up and asked, "Why you are sad?" The lion replied, "Because I cannot play, I will lose." The lion got up and stepped ahead. He slipped on the banana peel. All the animals laughed. "Now that's fun." The lion played with everyone and was happy.